Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Webull account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you disconnect or remove a bank account from your Webull account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove your bank account from Webull anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. It's pretty common to switch over to a different bank, and if you're no longer using that one for your trading, you want to be sure to remove it from your Webull. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Webull dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Webull account, and this is the home screen. Now, in order to delete or remove a bank account you have connected with Webull, first here on the top right, you're going to click on this little person icon. After you do that, you want to click on My Account. All right, once you click there, you're going to see these options here on the left, and you want to click on Transfer Money. Once you do that, you'll see another pop-down menu, and you want to click here on Linked Accounts. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the debit card and bank account you have connected. So today we're going to go ahead and remove the bank account. So click here on the ACH. All right, once you do that, you're going to see your bank account information. So you can do one of two things. If you're going to switch out to a different bank account, you can click here and change account. So you're basically updating your banking details. However, if you simply want to remove this bank account, you can click here, delete account, thing gray at the bottom. Okay, next you're going to get this pop-up. It says, in order to comply with anti-money laundering guidelines, if you're going to be withdrawing funds into a different bank, you can't do that if it didn't come from that one particular bank. So for example, I have Chase, so I can't deposit funds into my Webull and then come in here and switch the bank to my Wells Fargo and then deposit the funds from my Webull into my Wells Fargo bank. They say that there's some sort of a 60-day hold before I'm going to be able to withdraw any funds from my Webull into the new bank account. If you're okay with that, go ahead and click on delete. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see no bank account link now. So now my bank account has been removed from my Webull, so I can no longer fund my Webull or withdraw funds from my Webull into that bank account unless I come back in here and re-add it. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove a bank account from your Webull account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.